Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable quick access on your Windows File Explorer. So how can we do that? It is just very easy and let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type File Explorer Options. Click on File Explorer Options under the best match. Now here you will find this Open File Explorer 2. Click on this drop down arrow and choose this PC. Do not choose Quick Access. And here you will find Quick Access in here in these options like show frequently used folders. Simply uncheck this and click on Clear. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And then make a right click at the Start button. Open File Explorer. And here you have to click on this three dots, select options, and that the same window will appear. Now just simply click on Open File Explorer 2 and then you have to choose this PC. Click on apply, click on OK, and that's it. That's how you can easily disable quick access on your Windows File Explorer. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.